Good morning, friends. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hands out. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And yesterday was Wednesday. Good job remembering. Okay, so we have a few things we need to get done today. As you know, we've been learning about shapes in math, and we've been learning about what kind of shapes. What kind of shapes have we been talking about? Yes, they are 3D, which means we can hold them and we can pick them up, we can touch them, we can touch all the sides of them, yeah? So repeat after me for our learning target. I am learning to take apart three-dimensional shapes. Again, I am learning to take apart three-dimensional shapes. Good. So if we have a shape that looks like this, we're going to try and take it apart and see all the different shapes that are in that shape. Okay, so we're going to start with math today. So I need you on page 651, and your paper will look just like this. It says at the top, Mike has a cone, a sphere, a cylinder, and a rectangular prism. He chooses some shapes to build a bridge. Which shapes did he use to build the bridge? So, what do we need to find? We need to find which shapes Mike chose to build the bridge. What information do I need to use? Mike has these shapes. So, these are the shapes he has, and these are the ones that he used. So it says, show how to solve the problem. So we need to circle, all of the shapes that Mike used, okay? So what I need you to do is circle all of the shapes that he used. So let's look. Did he use our cone? Do you see anything with a pokey top? No, I'm going to cross out cone. Did he use a rectangular prism? And how many did he use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He used 5 rectangular prisms. I'm going to write the word 5 next to that. Oh, the number 5, right there, 5. How many spheres did he use? Do you see any that have equal sides? Remember, a sphere has to have equal sides. All the sides have to be the same length. Nope, he didn't use any spheres. So I'm going to cross that one out. And lastly, did he use any cylinders? Any cylinders? Well, yeah, he did. Look, they're right here. He used cylinders. They might be smaller, but they're still round around the outside, and they have a flat top and a flat bottom. So yeah, he used how many of them? He used 2 of them. So I'm going to also put a 2 next to that. If your paper looks just like mine, then I know that you watched this video today, and I'm super proud of you. Okay, go ahead and turn it around. We're going to do the back side together as well, and then we're going to talk about what you're going to do on your own. All right, so now it's Kim's turn to build a castle, and she uses 3D shapes as well. So we got to think, what information do I need to find, and what information do I need to use? So what do I need to find? I need to find which shapes she used to build this castle right here. There's lots of shapes in this one. Okay. So first of all, we're going to look at this part of the castle. In this part of the castle, what shapes did she use? Go ahead and circle them now. Yep, I said she used a cone and a cylinder. Do you agree with me? Here's the cone and here's the cylinder. They did not use any of these. All right, let's go to this one. What did they use for this one? Go ahead and fill it out on your paper and then we'll do it together. I'm gonna answer it on mine. Go ahead and tell me how many of each they used too. Write the number next to how many they used. How many spheres did they use? How many, sorry, not spheres. How many cubes did they use? How many cubes? How many cubes did they use? I apologize if I called that a sphere earlier. That's not a sphere. A sphere is a round circle. Yeah, like an ice cream cone on an ice cream on the top of a cone. A sphere is a circle. This is a cube. Sometimes Miss Gregory gets a little confused too, and that's okay. All right, so I have 3 cubes and 4 rectangular prisms in this shape. All right, let's go down to this one right here. Tell me how many. Be careful. These are not rectangular prisms. Those are cylinders, right? So they use 4 cubes and they used 4 cylinders. Awesome. Last one. How about this one? What'd they use? I see 2 cylinders and 1 rectangular prism. Is that what you see too? I'm gonna put a 2 next to that. 2 and 1. This is what I see on that one. 2 and 1. All right, guys. So that page is done. We completed that one all together. Now your job is to complete this one on your own. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. Tell me how many they used and what shapes they used. You also need to complete the back on your own. And we're gonna have some review questions about greater than and less than. So you need to be able to do those as well. Okay. Finished with math today, and we are going to move on to our sight words and our phonics. So you have to do page 19 and 20. Here's 19, and on the back is 20 today. So if you remember, we are learning about OI and OY, which say oi. Do it again. Oi. Good. And then AU and AW that make the sound ah. Can you say ah? Ah. So these two make oi. These two make ah. One more time. Oi. Ah. Good. So we need to think about in the middle. Do we hear oi or do we hear ah? Like, aw, that's a cute kitty. Yeah? So in this one, this is a p, aw. Aw. Did you hear it? Aw. So which one do I need to use? AW, yeah. Most of the time, almost all the time, you will do a OY and AW at the end. Most of the time, okay? These two, AU and OI, will happen in the middle. Alrighty. The back page, you just need to read these sentences and fill in the correct words to know. Let's use these in a sentence really fast. City. Remember? City, yeah? That's like the tall buildings and big spaces with lots of stores and lots of workplaces, yeah? Super busy. Family, make your F's and around. Family, yeah, we all know who our family is. Our moms and our dads and our sisters and our brothers, right? Myself, remember? Point to yourself. Myself. So if I am in this room, I am by myself. Very good. Party. Put your hands out like this and shake them. Show me your little dance party. Yeah? Dance party. Please put your hand on your chest and circle it. Please. Can you show me please? Show me city. And please. How about myself? Myself. And family. Make your F's. Family. Around, circle, circle. Very good. Now, what would I say please for? Oh, those are my manners, right? Please is my manners. So I can say, Will you get me a glass of water, please? Yeah, I need to use my manners. Or may I go to the restroom, please? Or you can just say, will you please open the door for me? Yeah, we use our manners to sound polite. Okay, school, clap your hands, school. Guess what we all miss? We all miss school so much. Buy, remember? This is the buy, like B-U-Y, like we're gonna buy something at the store. This is me giving someone money. That's how we're gonna remember that one, B-U-Y. And last one is the number 7. Now, we gotta take this finger right here that's really close to our pinky. You see that finger that's close to our pinky? Touch it and then touch your thumb. This is how we make the number 7 in sign language. Good, so not our pinky. This is the number 6. We want the one next to our pinky. That's number 7. Okay, guys, awesome job with that. Last thing to do, learn about more sharks. I am loving learning about these sharks. I wonder if you are too. Okay, this time it's great white sharks. These ones are my favorite. All right, I'm gonna hold this up here and we're going to read this together. Here we go. Great white sharks are very large sharks. They can grow over 20 feet long. They are found in many places around the world in warm and cold waters. They have been seen in the deep sea and close to the shore. Their speed and size make them good hunters. They often attack their prey from below, swimming upwards fast to catch it. In some places, they have been seen jumping out of the water to catch prey. We learned about a different kind of shark that also likes to swoop up. Do you guys remember what that shark was called? Was that one the Mako one? I have my paper right here. Let's see if we can find it. Was it the one that we did today or the hammerhead? Yeah, it was the Mako shark that also likes to eat its food like that. Okay, let's read these questions together. All right, great white sharks. Number 1, what are great white where? Oh, it says where. Sorry, I know this is kind of hard to see. That's why we're reading it together. Where are great white sharks found? They are found in many places around the world in warm and cold waters. I found that right here. I'm going to put many places, yeah? I'm going to put many places. Many places. I could also write cold and warm waters. Cold and warm water. So I put many places and then I put cold and warm water. Question number 2. Why are great white sharks good hunters? Why are they good hunters? Well, I found in my text where it says good hunters. So I'm going to look around that sentence. I'm going to read right before it. Their speed and size makes them good hunters. There's my answer. I'm going to underline my answer. It says speed and size right down here. And I'm going to write that in. Their speed and size. Their speed and size. All right, you are going to find questions number 3, 4, and 5, but I will read the questions to you. Number 3, what is something unusual great white sharks have been seen doing? You can find that answer at the very bottom of your text. How long can great white sharks be? And 5, how do great white sharks catch their prey? On the back of this paper is your social emotional homework for the day, and it's just about setting goals. And I really want you to take this paper seriously because setting goals is super important. Miss Gregory sets goals for herself, and I'm an adult. I bet your parents set goals for themselves. You can set a goal as an adult. Maybe you want to buy a new house or a new car, or you want to save up money, or you want to buy some new furniture. Those are all goals for Miss Gregory right now because we just bought a new house, okay? For you, some of your goals may be to complete all 80 minutes on Lexia every single week, or maybe even 200 minutes, yeah? Or maybe you want to set a goal to walk your dog every day. Yeah, that's one of Miss Gregory's goals too. So set little goals, and then we can set bigger and bigger and bigger goals, okay? So you take that paper, and I'd love to see your answers. So send me those papers so I can see your goals. All right, guys, I hope you have an awesome, awesome Thursday. And tomorrow is Friday. It's Friday tomorrow. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have an awesome, awesome day. And the weekend's close, okay? So we can do this. Bye-bye, guys.